style question. We have a box 40 cm by 60 cm by 30 cm, and we have a van 3 meters, 1.8 meters, 2 meters, and we are trying to pack as many boxes into the van, and the question is how many boxes could fit into the van. I'm going to show you two ways. First, work out the volume of the van. 3 times 1.8 times 2 is 10.8 meter cube. Second, volume of the box. 60 times 30 times 40, 72,000 cm cube. And you realize that we are working in different units, so we need to get to the same unit. So it's up to you from what we learned previously regarding conversion of units. Either you change meters into centimeters or centimeters into meters. So it's a matter of choice which one you are comfortable with. So I'm going to make sure they have the same units. So I'm going to change the meter into centimeters. 100 cm is 1 meter. I'm talking about cubes, so I'm going to cube each conversion, and my scale factor will now be 1 million and not 100. So the volume of the van will now change from 10.8 meter cube into 10,800,000 centimeter cube. That is the volume. Now to investigate how many boxes, I'm going to divide the volume of the van by the volume of the box. And if I divide, I'm going to have 150 boxes. So that means that 150 boxes could fit inside the van. That's the first method, where you have to do the conversion like this. Let's look at the second method. The second method is where I try to first understand and convert the van into centimeter first. So I'll have it as 300 cm length, 180 width, and 200 cm. If you want to know why, I'll multiply each of the length by 100, because 100 cm make 1 meter. Next step is I try to divide. I call this the alignment method. That is when you pack the boxes, how many boxes will align with the edge of the length, the width, and the height. I do that by dividing the length of the van by the length of the box, the width of the van with the width of the box, and so on. So the alignment on the length will be 5, the width will be 6, and the height will be 5. Let's have a bit of simulation to prove that. This is the box 40 by 60 by 30. This is the van, also 200 by 300 by 180, according to the calculation that we have over here. Let's pack the boxes. That was my first layer. Now you realize that 6 of the boxes align with the edge of the length. And it's true, because 60 times 5 is 300. That is where the alignment on the L is 5. The same applies with the edge. We have 6 of them. That's why the alignment is 6. Okay. Now, to prove that the height will be 5, let's find out the first layer. How many boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 6. 6 times 5, 30. So we have 30 the first layer. So let's keep on putting 30 in each layer. So we have 60. We had 30 before. 60. 90. 120. 150. And it fits the box. So that tells you that truly we have 150 boxes. So with this, you can see that if you put the alignment as the dimension of the box, you can find the volume of the cuboid, and you still have the same 5 times 6 times 5, and that will give you 150. So you can do this kind of work using the alignment method, dividing length of van by length of box, width of van, width of box, height of van, height of the box, and the final answer that you have for each of the alignment, you multiply them. That will give you the amount of boxes that will fit into the van. So this is the second method. So that brings us to the end of lesson 1. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the notification button so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Have a nice day. Thank you.